The PIP2 form is a paper form that is sent to you from the DWP. To claim personal independence payment, you will need to contact the Department for Works and Pensions to make a new personal independence payment claim. After contacting them, you will receive a personal independence payment form. This video is going to guide you through the first and second section of the form, questions 1 and 2. In the first section of the form, you will be asked to list your disabilities. Please take a moment to evaluate all of your health conditions or disabilities and list them in the space provided. Consider when is the approximate start date of these conditions or disabilities and list them accordingly. Question 1b will ask you to list the medications you are taking or will be taking as well as their dosages. Think of all of the medication you are or will be taking. How often do you take it? What are the dosages? Do you experience any discomfort or side effects because of the medication you are taking? Please evaluate your situation and list your medication accordingly. Question 1c asks about any treatments you have had, you are currently having, or have planned for the future. Please use this section to list all of the treatments, therapies, or operations. When did they start? When will it happen? If it is a recurring treatment, therapy, or operation, how often do you have it? Use this question to your advantage and ensure that you include as much detail as you can. As the more detail you include, the better understanding the DWP will have of how your condition or disability affects your daily life, but answer truthfully about your condition and how it affects you, as if you downplay or exaggerate, it will have a negative impact on your application process. Also, please note that you can include private as well as NHS-funded treatments. Section 2 of the form's question 2 will ask you about your health professionals. You will need to provide details of healthcare professionals that would be best qualified to advise the DWP on how your health conditions affect you. These are any healthcare professionals who treat or care for you the most regularly and who are best suited to advise the DWP on how your health condition or disability affects you. For example, a GP, hospital doctor, specialist nurse, community psychiatric nurse, occupational therapist, physiotherapist, social worker, counsellor, or support worker. You will need their name, their address, profession, phone number, and an approximate date you last saw them. For example, the month and the year. If you need any further assistance with the completion of this form, please contact Dash on 020-884-88319, or alternatively, email them at info@dash.org.uk.